Hello students, welcome to the 9th standard. Here is two part of the maths. Part 1 is algebra and part 2 is geometry. Today I am going to start part 2, that is geometry. Today let us begin with the chapter 1 in geometry, that is basic concept of the geometry. Before begin this, children, we have going to learn in this chapter regarding points, line, segment, trace, plane and its axioms and postulate. And also we are going to find the distance between any two distinct points. So carefully listen to the video and here to write the notes also subsequently in your notebook. Thank you students. So let us begin to the chapter.
Introduction. Geometry originates from the word geo, meaning land, and metry, meaning measurements. Geometry originated out of practical necessity. It was the science of measuring land. Man had to learn with situations involving distance, bounding their land, and constructing walls and homes. These types of situations were directly related to the geometric concepts of vertical, parallel, and perpendicular. Ancient Egyptians used an early stage of geometry in several ways, including the surveying of land, construction of pyramids, and astronomy. Around 2900 BC, ancient Egyptians began using their knowledge of geometry to construct pyramids with 4 triangular faces and a square base in Egypt. Like Egyptians, ancient Indians also had vast knowledge of geometry. The treatise Shulva Sutra mentions the method of calculating distances using ropes as well as constructing different shapes. In the later years, mathematicians like Aryabhat, Varamihira, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya have contributed tremendously in the field of mathematics. The great Greek geometer Pythagoras, 572 BC, is regarded as the first pure mathematician to logically deduce geometric facts from basic principles. The most famous and useful contribution of Pythagoras is the Pythagorean theorem. Euclid of Alexandria, 325 to 265 BC, was one of the greatest of all the Greek geometers and is considered by many to be the father of modern geometry. Euclid proposed general statement that is accepted as true. These general statements are known as axioms. From these basics, he proved new properties by providing logical reasoning and statements.
Basic concepts in geometry. The 3 most important and basic concepts in geometry are the point, line and plane. Point. This is point A. A point is represented by a dot and named by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. Line. A line has no endpoints and it can be extended on both sides. A line has infinite number of points on it. A line is either named by any 2 points on it, say line AB, line PQ, etc., or by small letters such as L, M, N, P, Q, etc. The figure drawn here is line AB or line L. Plane. We draw a bounded figure to represent a plane. The arrowheads on four sides shows that a plane extends indefinitely on all sides. For the sake of simplicity, we normally don't use arrowheads. A plane is named either by any three non-collinear points that lie on it, say plane ABC, plane PQR, etc., or by capital letters such as plane E, plane F, etc. The figure shown here is plane ABC or plane E. Now, let us learn some postulates regarding points, lines and planes.